What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to use Grammarly free version. So let's get started. So firstly, just go to your Grammarly website, that is grammarly.com, like this, and you'll be over here. And then what you can do is you can just go to this top right corner with it says Get Grammarly, it's free. Then just go and then you can sign in over here with you can use anything, sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, and anything. Just go with one and choose your account, and it will take some time guys, just have some patience. It will be right there in a bit. It's loading again and again. And then you'll be in the account using the free version as it is. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment if you have any queries with us. So till then, stay safe guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.